So today I'm going to replace the dry belt on this 2004 Honda Accord with a 2.4 engine. So Advance Auto sell this belt for I think it's like $30. And so before we gonna start on the belt, I took a picture. I draw a diagram out where it's supposed to go back on. This is the crank, the AC, water pump, alternator, power steering pump, and the tensioner. So when I put it back on later, I'm going to go in order to be easier. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So basically, when you put the tension on here and pull it back, you put this side on the water pump on last, cause that'd be easiest. The rest, if you try to put on last, it'd be hard. So try to put the belt on the water pump, be the easiest to do. So here's the tensioner that we're going to use to pull. It looks like it's a 14, I think. Now I'm going to put a 14 on, and once you get it on, push it toward the radiator, I guess toward the bumper. Once you do that, you can see it get loose. See how loose it now? But you let go, it's tight. So pull it, and if you feel it's loose enough to pull it out, to push it out. So that's all to it to get it out. Now just pull it out. Now you just have to play with it so it can come out. So my belt is fine. Just I replace it just by the maintenance. It's like 110.